Our trading signals might not be the same with everyone else's, but it would be nice to clarify that a little bit. Let us look at how to use our trading signals, shall we? Firstly, the type of signals we drop sometimes might not be instant execution signals. Rather, they could be stops and limits. This means that you are not expected to trade directly in some cases. Instead, you are expected to set your orders in advance and wait for your order to get triggered. Now, what are limits and stops? This is an example of a buy limit signal, a sell limit signal, a buy stop signal, and a sell stop signal, and this is how you set them. Open your MT4 or MT5 app where you would like to place your trade. Click on Trade right here. Next, click on this part right here. Select the trade you want to make, be it buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. Input the price here, take profit here, and stop loss here. And that is all. Let us take an example, shall we? Here is a signal for instance. It is a buy stop signal on XAUSD. The price is 17,116.22. The TP is 17 to 18.22, and the stop loss is 17,11.22. If you are to take this signal, you will input the price here, the take profit here, and the stop loss here. Easy as ABC. But what if it is an instant execution signal, you ask? Well, for this, you will make sure the order is set to market execution or instant execution, and then just input your take profit as well as your stop loss levels, then place your trade. The difference between instant execution and limits or stops is that limits or stops will not activate until the price has gotten to the area to which you set it to, while instant execution or market execution will be activated immediately. To be a part of our channel, click the link in the description below and get started with us today.